Always, guys, respect the pump. I respect the pump in all assets. Why? Because it's kind of like karma. You know, the power of the pump always comes back to you if you respect the pump of other people. It's crazy, but I have this belief that whatever pumps, you have to pay respect. Because otherwise, if you're like, oh my God, this scam coin is pumping again, actually you are kind of rejecting.
GM, welcome back to the channel. Quick market update here. We've got a few things to go through, mainly the AI meme coins, quite a bit happening in that space. Bitcoin dominance as well, starting to fall, even though we have Bitcoin going up here. So straight away, we have Bitcoin now at 95,800 and some change here. You can see from yesterday, posting a low, I think 91s, maybe tickling 90,000 and some 800 and something there. But basically, Bitcoin has bounced today, which has been pretty nice. You can see stocks are down on the right-hand side, but also the DXY, the dollar, is also coming down. I think it peaked at like 107, now showing some signs of weakness, which is very good for risk. As too is the move indicator, which has started to come down, which is just here in the right-hand corner. And so if we have less bond market volatility and you have the dollar coming down, this could be very good for BTC to have a crack at that 100K yet again. So starting things off, Bitcoin dominance here is at 57%. So Bitcoin's up and dominance is coming down right now, which is just totally bullish. Altcoin season of vibes, dare we say. That is the best catalyst. Bitcoin up, dominance down at the same time. Print money season. But you can see we peaked just less than a week ago, 21st of November. The yearly high came in for Bitcoin dominance at 60.1% as tracked by Coin Market Cap here. I wonder if that is the Pico top and we now find our way lower, or what could be happening here is we could have this kind of break-in trend where Bitcoin dominance cools off a little bit here and then runs again, maybe upon the breaking of the 100K kind of psychological barrier. Bitcoin probably then accelerates quite a bit, maybe takes dominance higher yet again. But I think in this kind of pocket of time here, with dominance coming down as it seems, this could be a very nice little period prior to Christmas to make some serious money on the altcoins. We also have Binance listing VE33 exchanges such as Thena here. So Thena got listed on Binance Spot today. You can see that chart, which is just outrageous. The kind of thing you want to see on all your holdings. It went from 20 mil market cap to 240 mil market cap in a single day. So the bull market is back. You're also seeing this. This is the ETH gas tracker. Gwei is up to 31 on average here. You can see the cost to do a swap on ETH mainnet is now around 38 to 40 bucks. NFT sale around 60 bucks, 12 bucks to bridge, 32 bucks to borrow there. So ETH gas is back on the up and up. Again, bull market vibes. Over to Kaito for some Mindshare. So these are the top meme coins by Mindshare overall in the last 24 hours. And 40% of today's top 20 are AI related. AIXBT being the biggest Mindshare gainer. This is obviously based on the base chain and it is up considerably today. We'll have a look at the chart in just a moment. You can also see Bully there in second. We've also got the likes of ZEREBRO, Fartcoin of course, GOAT, AI16Z, VVAFU and Clanker on there. You can also see honorable mention for Chill Guy. I think that got a big spot listing today, and Doge also. First and foremost, however, Fartcoin here is pushing the highs massively. So this is all-time high territory at around 40 cents for Fartcoin, and it's pushed up right into there today. So this is looking really, really strong right now. It's just got listed on Woo Exchange, which I would say is tier 2 exchange, but it's got both perps and a spot listing on here. So you're starting to see decently sized exchanges listing Fartcoin today, which is going to be good for it. And hopefully this break, which has been since around the 17th of November, so like a 10-day consolidation in these price ranges, hopefully a big move higher. I think Bleeker was predicting somewhere in the region of 600 mil market cap all the way up here as a potential. This was a Binance tweet earlier in the week. AI is transforming the future of crypto. And then today, CZ even tweeting about AI yet again. So this is the reason why, it's very high on Mindshare right now and makes the most sense to be positioned in AI coins. Market leader and the kind of provenance piece, the first mover in this whole sector, GOAT, looks like it has bottomed in that box we highlighted yesterday, is now pushed up to around a high of like 94, 95 cents on some exchanges. A little bit of a pullback here, but GOAT looking decent for a bottoming formation. If this absolutely turbo sends, it'll pull everything else with it. Also, you've got ZEREBRO, which has been struggling a bit today. Noticed a few whale wallets clipping out of this. But again, that is kind of a consolidation pattern that's going to happen after a very long run up here. Then here is AIXBT, one of the best accounts to follow of the AI agents, I would suggest, because it just drops alpha all day long. You can ask it questions. It's very real in the way it responds. But this thing is just on a moon mission. So up from this time last week, I think around the 20th, maybe it was like 30 odd mil market cap. Today's pushed up to 120 at the highs here. So this thing is the leading agent on base chain. So hopefully this thing will get a Coinbase listing at some point. This one may be a bit of a new one for you. FXN is the ticker. This one is to do with swarms. And the way these guys have been talking, I think they're going to be on the Blockmates podcast coming up soon. They essentially seem like a very professional team. They actually stated today that this will be the only token they work with, like they will just direct everything into this token in terms of value creation, because what we've seen with some of these AI tokens is the developers have spun up multiple tokens and diluted themselves. These have confirmed some bullish things today. So this one's quite interesting, just a 7 mil market cap. Hopefully this can do what happened yesterday for the, I think it's UCB, Universal Compute token or something. I can't remember the name of it. I did not buy that one. It went absolutely fucking vertical, but interesting stuff. We got quite a few movers on here, quite a bit of green, to be honest with you. Sense is coming up nicely from a bottoming formation here as well. LOLA looks like it's coming into a bit of a bottoming formation here. This is an on-chain agent that is trading actively. I think this will bottom around this kind of region in here, 16 mil to 20 mil, somewhere in this pocket. And maybe we'll get another run on this. But I think broadly what you're going to see is an agent season really kick off here, as a lot of people are super interested in this. So we'll leave things off there, just a quick update, but things looking pretty good here going into the kind of festive period coming up. You have Thanksgiving. I'm sure a lot of people are going to be shilling crypto over that. And maybe we're going to see the next wave of retail participants come into the market as people do enjoy the word of mouth kind of shills. People are going to show them how to onboard themselves, which is a lot easier this cycle than the previous cycle. And so we could be in for some fireworks going into Q1 here, I would expect. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one. Subscribe if you're new. Peace.